Attached to Let's Start With Nothing Speak by María Isabel Caicedo. Do you value why compare ourselves to others on social? Yes, since we like to compare ourselves to realize those preferences that we would like to have. Do you think the information displayed on social media inspires our actions? Yes, I consider that there are certain actions that have to do with tendencies to undertake wise and inspire and input. Can social media affect your mental health? Yes, because it's why don't make good use of them. Why run the risk of suffering from anxiety, depression, and isolation from being able to share with the family affecting our mental health. Thanks.